Hello guys, my name is Maverick the Affluent, and this is Affluent Electricals. I'm here to exhibit today how I fix my smoke detector. And this device is an intelligent device that detects smoke if likely to burn your property or your house. This device can detect the smoke and alert you so that you come to your senses and call for support. So just watch and see how I'll fix my smoke detector. First of all, I peel my cable and I put a base inside. Yes, put a base inside and fix the peeled cable on. Then I just close it like that. Simple like that. So that's how I'm going to do all. Salute. Thank you.